Welcome back. 2018 Paper 1 GCE Mathematics. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mr. Rafa Online Tuitions. Question 19a. Integrate 3x to the power 4 minus 4x to the power negative 3 with respect to x. So there are two major concepts of calculus in mathematics. Number one, it is differential calculus and integration calculus. So in this question, we have integration. So there is a simple formula for us for integration. So if maybe I've been asked to integrate x to the power n dx. So you say x to the power n, you add 1 to the power, then you divide by the new power plus c, the constant. So that's what we are going to do. We have 3x to the power 4 minus 4x to the power negative 3 with respect to x. So remember that when we are integrating, we increase the power by 1. So it's a plus 1. Okay, so it's going to be 3x, 4 plus 1, it is 5. Then you divide by the new power, which is 5. Minus, you say plus 1. So 4x to the power negative 3 plus 1, it is negative 2. So you divide by the new power, which is negative 2 plus c. Okay, so we can simplify further by saying 3 over 5 x to the power 5 negative into negative, that is positive. So negative into negative, that is positive. 2 into 4. So 2 into 4, it is 2. X to the power negative 2 plus c. So that is your answer. Or you can say 3 over 5 x to the power 5 plus 2 over x to the power 2 plus c. Part B, solve the equation. Open bracket 2x minus 1 close bracket to the power 2 equals 25. So part B, 2x minus 1 to the power 2 equals 25. So 25, it is a perfect square number. So the first thing, I'll get rid of the power 2 by introducing square root both sides. So this side is going to be positive or negative. So why are we introducing the square roots? We are introducing the square root. We want to get rid of the squared. So square root and the squared goes. I will remain with 2x minus 1 equals positive or negative, the square root of 25, it is 5. So from here now, I will make two equations. Equation 1, it will be 2x minus 1 equals positive 5. Or 2x minus 1 equals negative 5. I'll correct the like terms. So 2x equals, this is positive 5. It was negative 1. When it goes the other side, it will be positive 1. So 2x equals 5 plus 1, it is 6. You divide throughout with 2, 2 goes, so x equals 2 into 6, it is 3. Or 2x equals negative 5, this is negative 1, when it crosses the equal sign, it will be positive 1. So 2x equals negative 5 plus 1, that is negative 4. So remember that negative, positive, you subtract. Negative and positive, you subtract. So 5 minus 1, that's 4. Then you add sign of the bigger number to the answer. So you say over 2, over 2. So 2 goes. X equals 2 into negative 4, that is negative 2. So the values for x is 3 or negative 2. Then here the integration was 3 over 5x to the power 5 plus 2 over x squared plus c. Okay. Number 20a. Find the equation of a line which is parallel to 2x plus y equals 3, passing through negative 2, 3. So 20a. So we have 2x plus y equals 3. So find the equation of a straight line. So the equation of a straight line, it is given by this formula. So find the equation of a straight line. So in this equation, we just find two things: gradient and the y-intercept. That's all. So now, how do we find gradient? In this question, we only have one coordinate. So remember that the equation given 2x plus y is equal to 3 is parallel to this one that we want. So mark the word parallel. So parallel lines, they share same gradient. Parallel lines share same gradient. So the gradient of this line is equal to the gradient of this line. So when I find the gradient of this line, it is the gradient of this line. So how do we find the gradient? So we have 2x plus y equals 3. So to find the gradient of this line, the first thing that you have to do, you have to make y the subject of the formula. So 2x, it will go this side. It was positive 2x. When it crosses the equal sign, it will be negative 2x. So we remain with y equals negative 2x plus 3. From there, check the coefficient of x. Check the coefficient of x. So the coefficient of x is negative 2. So gradient is equal to negative 2. So the gradient of this line is negative 2. Therefore, the gradient of this line is also negative 2. Why? parallel lines share same gradient. So now we can say y equals mx plus c. Y equals, the gradient of this line is -2. So -2x plus c. So from here, we are now going to find c, which is the y-intercept. So we have been given a coordinate, -2, 3. So -2, 3, it will help us to find the y-intercept. -2, 3. So this is x, this is y. So where there is y, we are going to substitute +3. Where there is x, we are going to substitute -2 plus c. So 3 equals -2 times -2, +4 plus c. So I'll make c the subject of the formula. So 3, this is +4. When it comes here, it will be -4 equals c. So from there now we'll say c equals 3 minus 4, that is -1. So the equation of a straight line now is y equals, gradient is -2 minus 1. So the y-intercept is -1, so -1. So that is the equation of a straight line. So equation of a straight line is y equals -2x minus 1. Part B,